Hello folks, today we're gonna open this box. It's a BW vacuum cleaner. It's 25K PA. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's supposed to be very strong suction. So that's what they use to measure PA. So opening the box, this is what you see. Very cool. Oh yeah, I like, big manual like this with colors. Very easy to read, and everything's packed in here. So there's also another manual. Okay, so we're gonna see how strong this suction is, the 25K. So here is the product itself. There's so many to list. That's something that you clean and cut the hair if you got a lot of hair. So it got stuck. Filter pad. Okay, some mounting tool. So I think it has something to mount to the wall. Probably this is the one. Your standard brush right here, and here's your stick, charger of course, and here is the product itself. Looking pretty good. Looks promising, I'm telling you that. Looks promising. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it up, and we're gonna test it out together. Okay, here is the battery. Very big bulky battery, which is gonna go right in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the machine itself. Let's show you how it works. Very simple. Okay, turn on, and this is normal mode. If you want it turbo, press that button, give you a turbo mode. Press it again, go back to standard mode. That is very powerful, as you can hear it. So let's put this together. Alright, and this part right here is actually for when you want to extend it out. You just pull it out, and here it goes. And there's lights in the front as well. Okay, pretty powerful. Now when we hit this, it's gonna go to a turbo mode, which is the 25K PA that I was talking about. And there you go. Pretty easy. And this is how you stand it up. Very powerful, guys. Very powerful. Okay, so you have your extra stuff right here if you need. And this is to mount to the wall. Now I have to find a place to mount. That's all I have for you guys for today. It's a wonderful machine. Very powerful.